everyone.
Hey,
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Zamreen if you're new here. And you are?
And I am just the husband. I have no name, no personality. I'm just husband.
The husband.
The husband. Yes, the husband. I just follow her around. I just, do whatever she needs. That's it.
Yep. It's a pretty good deal if you ask me.
Yeah.
So today's video is an exciting video because we are staying in Hilton Habtoor Hotel for 2 nights, which is amazing. So we will be taking you around the entire hotel and showing you what this beautiful hotel has to offer. Breakfast is included as part of our stay, but there are a couple of restaurants in the hotel. So if you are planning to stay here, this video is for you, so you know what to look forward to. And if you're thinking about staying here, that's cool too. And
this area has a lot of hotels. It's not only hotels. This area is called the Habtoor City. It's pretty nice. I think when we have a chance to go outside, we'll probably try to show it to you guys. They have like a nice waterfront view. You can rent bicycles and like electric scooters. You can ride around. So yeah, then there are a lot of restaurants around too. So it's a nice area. Come along. Let me show you guys our home for the next 2 nights. Let me give you guys a room tour. Come along with me. Let me show you guys the bathroom first. It looks amazing. Look at this bathtub. It's so huge. It looks like a football almost. The oval shape. You could have a pool party here. It's that big.
it's pretty comfortable, I'd say.
Man. Look at this mirror. I feel like you can open it, but I don't know how to, but it looks pretty nice. Looks pretty cool. Then there's the two little sinks, so we both don't have to fight with each other. This I like. They do have a weighing machine, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen any hotels do that. Every hotel does. Okay, my wife has seen every hotel does, but I'm not as rich as her. I haven't stayed in many hotels. I usually stay in Motel 6 and Red Roof Inn, so this is a big upgrade. Then there's the bathroom. I love this thing. There's a bidet. I love the bidets. It makes your bum clean. Nice. Then they also have the handheld bidets. Which is not a huge fan, but it's there for people want to use. Then they also have a telephone. If you want to talk to people while you're pooping, you can do that. Then there's the shower. Pretty standard. So it looks nice. So go ahead. You gotta
over here we have the closet. They brought our luggage up for us, which was really nice. We have our robes. Something about hotel robes. It's just... And we have the slippers, locker, pretty standard stuff.
A nice big mirror. There's a lot of mirrors in this hotel, which I like. It's pretty nice. Okay, but come on. Now let's show you guys the bedroom. Look at this king size bed area. Very nicely decorated. They also have this bench to sit.
Let's do a bed check. So now the bed check.
Nice. How is
It's firm but soft.
Nice.
I think it's the perfect texture of firm and soft. The bed's really nice. And the pillow. Hotel pillows are the best things in the world.
You can see the bathroom from here too. So I do feel there has to be a way to probably close it. Probably put the curtains, but I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. It's at the top, I think?
The blinds are inside.
The blinds are inside. Okay, so from the other side you have to close it. Okay. Yeah, I had a feeling. Okay. Try to press on this. Yeah.
Just give it a minute.
Yeah, it's not super fast, but it's getting there. There it is. But I like the bedroom. Actually, it's very spacious. You can see there's a couch over there, which is very nice. It's a pretty nice couch. Not super soft or anything, but still comfy. You can easily take a nap on this. Then The desk is actually pretty nice. You should come behind me. Come over here, I'll show. This thing I liked. So, you put your laptop here and work, and also once you're done working, you want to check yourself out. You could do that. There's a little mirror. You can check yourself out, makeup on. It's pretty nice. But yeah, this I like, this part. Then other than that, it's like pretty standard thing. There's some cabinet. There's a hair dryer in here. Yeah, so it's like then. Oh yeah, then the view. The view is really good. You guys ready to see the view? We have a fabulous view of the. That could have been more better reveal. But yeah, it's a fabulous view of the Burj Khalifa over there. And if you look down, you can see there's some river, or some artificial river, since this is Dubai. Or I don't know, maybe it's a real river. But there is some water body down there. But yeah, it's a nice view. Yeah, let's sit on the room tour. There's a nice TV. But yeah, there's a. I just didn't show this. There is a mini fridge. Pretty standard mini fridge. I thought there would be like a mini bar and everything, so there's no mini bar or anything. But yeah, they do provide you a fridge and the standard. There's a coffee machine. I'm not a big coffee person, but if you are, they do. There's white spread or some spread. Yeah. And plenty of water. They didn't cheap out on the water. Usually most hotels give you 2 bottles. They give you 4 bottles. They give you 2 bottles in the bathroom. The rest are just cabinets. A lot of cabinets. Then, if you want to be spiritual, there's the Holy Quran. Forget, the reservation is under Miss Serene Highness.
Like and subscribe.
Yes. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. And yeah, if you guys please like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, and thank you. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Okay, let me also do a bet test since she did it. Yeah, that's nice. It's a little firm, right?
I feel like firm but soft. Good for that back now that you're closing your 30s. We have friends. Hi. Okay, we're gonna head out. No. The hotel has a salon. We then checked out its well-equipped gym.
It's a decent gym. You can get a decent workout in.
Then we visited one of the many restaurants in the hotel. They had an open plan kitchen. I feel restaurants with open plan kitchen really have confidence and show how good their restaurant is. We then checked out the pool area. They had multiple hot tubs and different mini pools where people could swim, and they also had this cafe that had mini bites to munch on while you're at the pool.
Go watch the games.
Oh no!
We have a mini dessert cart near the reception. As we were walking outside the hotel, we came across this diner-themed restaurant called Sauce. It is so quirky and well decorated. We had a little snack before heading out to our plans for the night. This is the view from our room at night. The next morning we came over for breakfast. The breakfast hall was very crowded. They had a wide variety of sections and it was truly an international buffet breakfast as it had different sections for different regional foods. We spent rest of the afternoon by the pool, just goofing around and having a good time. On the 44th floor, there was another restaurant that was well decorated. However, we couldn't go in and see it as it was booked for a party. We ended up going to the Ribs and Brew to watch the game and grab a bite. The area outside the hotel was well lit and they also have a grocery store right next to it if you need to buy anything. The second night we came to Sauce again to have some dinner. It was really good. That's all for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hey
guys.
Hey everyone.
Welcome back to...
Okay, start. Cut.
No, we'll see here.